In this video, I'm gonna talk in detail about the reason and solution for the pothos yellow leaves problem. Most plant parents confuse this yellow leaves problem with overwatering issues, but the main reason for yellow leaves is light. Inappropriate exposure to sunlight develops yellow leaves on pothos. Both in too much light and too little light develop yellow leaves or discoloration on plants, but their appearance is different. When pothos receives less sunlight, its older leaves begin to turn yellow with some brown edges and drifts toward newer leaves. Older leaves lose their variegation or original color and turn yellow. For example, as you can see here, this golden pothos plant developed some yellow leaves. This plant was in our dining and there are no windows at all. It received light only from a LED bulb, which was insufficient for this plant, and that's why the older leaves turned yellow and also developed some brown edges. Pothos requires 1 to 2 hours of direct sun for their photosynthesis, but they also do well in bright shade areas. So now I moved this plant in a spot on my balcony where it will get 2 hours of direct sun of a day and it will recover very soon. I mean, these yellow leaves won't gonna turn green again, but their appearance will be recovered. On the other hand, pothos leaves also turn yellow if they get too much sunlight. Let me show you another pothos plant that also turning yellow, but the appearance is different from this one. Have a look on this pothos vine. The newer leaves are looking yellowish green. Though leaves are looking so shiny, highly variegated, and there are no brown edges, but showing a little bit of discoloration. This type of yellowing appears when the plant receives too much sunlight. This vine gets 3 hours direct morning sunlight, but that is not excessive for this plant either. For the last few weeks, the sun has been so intense, which was unbearable for this plant. However, if you always keep your pothos in intensive sun, the green part or the chlorophyll of the leaves will gradually turn into lime green color, and with time, they will lose their variegation. So keep your pothos either in a bright shade or in an area where it will get only 1 to 2 hours of direct sun of a day. Inappropriate watering also develops yellow leaves on pothos, but that will appear with noticeable brown spots and leaf edges. I have already uploaded a video upon that. If you are interested, then check the link in the description box. So that's pretty much it. Hope this video would be helpful. If you think this video is helpful to you, then hit the like button, and if you think it is not, obviously you can press the dislike button and let me know in the comment section what was disliking to you. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.